Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and interesting. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most important tenses in English, past simple tense. I will show you how to use it, how to make positive, negative, and interrogative form. And to make it even more interesting, we will watch some funny moments from famous movies, series, and TV shows where characters actually use past simple in real-life situations. Let's dive in. First of all, I'd like to say, to master past simple tense, you need to understand that there are two types of verbs in English, regular and irregular. With regular verbs, everything is simple, just add ed at the end. But with irregular verbs, it's trickier because they don't follow the fixed rule. This is what makes it difficult. By the way, we've already made a video on how quickly learn irregular verbs. Be sure to watch it. It's very helpful. Positive form, verb plus ed or past simple form of the verb. I played football yesterday. Play, it's a regular verb, just add ed. I went to the park last Sunday. Went, it's a regular verb. It must be memorized.
Play guitar. And, I ran away from home and went to San Francisco so I could go live with him.
For negative form, we use did plus not plus base form of the verb. It's very important. We don't use ed or past simple form of the verb anymore. Example, I did not play football yesterday. You can make it shorter if you say I didn't play football yesterday. Or I did not go to the park. I didn't go to the park.
I didn't propose, and I did not ask her to marry me.
But we didn't really have a big family like this.
Question form. In question form, auxiliary verb did goes forward. Did plus subject plus base form of the verb again. Did you play football yesterday? Did you go to the park? Pay attention. To question form, we don't use past simple form of the verb and we don't use ed. For negative form and for question form, we don't use them at all.
Did you propose to her?
Did you forget your shoes?
Short answers. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. And don't you say you didn't.
Now let's talk a little bit about where it is better to use past simple. Actually, past simple is amazing for storytelling. If you want to tell someone about your past, where you were born, where you studied, where you lived, what you did, this is the right tense.
Oh, I didn't know you're a lawyer.
I wasn't. I withdrew from university when we got married. But I chose to help my husband run a business and to raise a family.
A few months later, they invited me and the ping pong team to visit the White House. So I went again, and I met the President of the United States again.
You can also find past simple tense in historical textbooks, where you can read the information about a particular century or a particular era.
In 1947, an engineer at Bell Labs envisioned a futuristic phone network for their car phone. At the time, the technology and the infrastructure for this did not exist.
That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!